Welcome to Highbees News, and this is Amalu Katragadda. Warburg Limited to use technology and AI for water treatment. Viatech Warburg Limited, a leading pure-play water technology Indian multinational with business spread across varied geographies, shared their focus on pioneering and providing sustainable technology-led innovations that are helping in treating and extending the lifespan of usage of the most important resource, water. The focus on water crisis and conservation and the government spending through various schemes and policies to meet the ever-growing demand for water presents a huge opportunity for Viatech Warburg for future business. The company has state-of-the-art research and development centers that have developed advanced technologies to treat wastewater which can directly be used as water of potable grade. Speaking on occasion, Mr. Rajiv Mittal, MD and CEO, Viatech Warburg said, to tackle the water-related challenges, Warburg has been successful in pioneering removal of micropollutants and has also licensed and worked upon the NEREDA technology, which will play a significant role in wastewater treatment in the future. The company has been able to ensure 100% resource recovery and utilization out of wastewater treatment. The byproducts are being utilized to render the facilities self-sustainable and eco-friendly. The government's various initiatives like enhanced focus on recycle and reuse of water for industries and irrigation, water desalination plants, leveraging its 7,800 km long coastline to help tackle acute water shortage in certain states, Jal Jeevan Mission, Har Ghar Nal Se Jal and river rejuvenation model are big opportunities for water management company like Warburg. With its complete range of technological solutions and more than 95 years experience, Warburg is a perfect one-stop service provider for water treatment. These services extend right from the treatment of drinking water, sewage, industrial effluent, water recycling, sludge and desalination for both its municipal and industrial clients. Thanks for watching Highbees News.